Hi, y'all. Akeisha Anderson here, Policy and Advocacy Director for Alabama Arise. And over the next few minutes, I will be talking to you briefly about the 2023 Alabama legislative session. So, this year, the Alabama legislative session will begin on Tuesday, March 7th. And similar to what happened in 2019 when the gas tax was passed, we are expecting that the legislature will almost immediately go into a special session devoted to figuring out how to use remaining ARPA or COVID relief funds. So that will mean that the first 2 weeks or so, up until late March, legislators will be thinking solely about that. At Alabama Arise, we would love to see quite a bit of that money allocated to transportation and housing needs. However, it is possible that other really important issue areas such as broadband expansion, sewage, and hospital funding may take up the bulk of that conversation. It is also possible that the executive branch will be provided with a lot of free reign and funding to agencies and ability to determine themselves how to utilize the remaining ARPA funds. So beyond the special session, it is worth noting that there are quite a few new legislators this year. So we will be devoting a lot of time to educating them on the things that members, yourself likely included, have told us that they would like to see done. Those things include providing everyday Alabamians with relief from the state level grocery tax, pushing for Medicaid expansion, curbing the state's use of the death penalty, reforming the criminal justice system, expanding voting rights and access to the polls, and advocating for state budgets that adequately fund state agencies and public services. Do know that throughout the legislative session, there will be lots of opportunities for you and others to get involved and helping us to make effective change. And so we really hope that you will take us up on that call. To begin with, if you have not already, please be sure to visit alarise.org and sign up to be on our mailing list. That way, you can receive emails and action alerts regarding the issues that we'll be working on. Also, if you are not already, please consider becoming a member. For just $25 a year, you can have a say in what our issue priorities are. You can get special legislative update emails, and you can also get a daily news digest. Each of those benefits are reserved for members only. Do know, however, that if you find that $25 to be a barrier, we do offer gift or free membership. So donate what you can, even if that's nothing. Lastly, please consider joining us in Montgomery sometime this session for one or several of our scheduled advocacy days. If you care about Medicaid expansion and access to health care, we would love to see you at our Cover Alabama Advocacy Day on Tuesday, March 21st. And if you care about the other issues that we will work on, please join us on April 11th. You can learn more about, as well as register for, both or either of those events by visiting our website and clicking on Get Involved and then clicking on Upcoming Events. I really hope to see y'all in Montgomery. Take care now.